ni joy. The best thing you can do ni kucenjia mundu. The best thing you can do ni kunyita mundu akaumari ari akathia another step.
No turathie na mbere tukiriungaga matura-ini tugikuranaga njamba. Umuthi tugukurana muthuri umwe uria ukoretwo akihimbiria ciana iria ciururaga barabara-ini na gucihe guikaro.
Nini director wa Streetnizers Ministry Transformation Center idilaga na street boys from the streets na mostly boy child. Dajirie 2005 ginya riu ni about 15 years.
Hihi ri ni undu uriku ucio wacungereirie uthie street-ini ukoya imwana ugoka ugacihe handu na ukanjia kumacenji ukwanjia gucenjia mikarire yao?
First story yakwa ni riri ni uri andu matoi ndari mundu akuthira drugs ndari in the streets of Nairobi no andu matioi andu monaga mwanake muthaka no matioi ndari in the streets. Two, I didn't have a father figure, somebody who guided me demonini kowe de yore ndaigirire drugs igira miadarati igira kunywa fagi joy no ide ndemenyire ni mutumia wanyitire guoko akiduta in the life of alcohol addiction na from there gesejia. One day ngiwa discussion ya imwana ciari radio station ciari cia street. Discussion ye yore nyagioya thimu ngihura in the radio station ngiwa atiriri imwana ici yore no nyende kuciteithio kahogo uri ingiota. Immediately ngisamania nacio ciari ithatu ndacemana na mwana icio ithatu uri the urge for me to do something started growing up. Then the three boys who were in the streets ngiona uria ndahanaga few years ago uria ndari in the life of Nairobi kuzurura no we mwana icio ciahanaga and that's how the Streetnizers began.
Kuma 2005 ginyagia riu Streetnizers ihotete gukorwo na imwana cigana na neigana hihi mathiete na mbere na muturire wao kagacira?
Today I'm calling over 100 boys. Kuma 205 ginya thaici ninyonete almost 1,000 young men who have gone through Streetnizers. Kwa ti progress njega ya boy child.
Streetnizers kana gukorwo wina anake ayothe guku ri uhuthagira ta mbeca cigana uguo gutigirira ni maria ni manyua ni makoma mena mai gutigirira mena indo iria ciothe marabatara?
No juwe tuikaraga ta nyoni uria cikaraga to nyoni ire itire na kwimakira itikorwo na kwimakira and then ciana ici ndina ciore moka ri ngamabundithia gukorwo na witikio wa umuthi ni tukuria rucio ri tutikane na rucio to tutigwe goro wa rucio oria kiuga kia Ngai kiugaga. So that is what has been giving me a lot of encouragement and per day we need 5,000 ngiri kunegera ciana ici irio o muthenya na reke gwire indige tutiriraga nyama no ciana ici wacirora ri ni thaka indige gutikorwo na maguta ma kuruga no tukaruga ki thukuma na makaria and I've seen it working because at the end of the day tirio nikirona mahe and especially the mind transformation.
Theini wa undu wothe ri ni gukoragwo na miambato na meikuruko. Hihi ni miambato iriku ukoragwo ugicemania nayo wita director wa Streetnizers?
Tari wahota kuoya mwana street-ini umurehe na akorona I would call it good luck anyitane na mundu arenda kumusponsor skuru amwingira skuru ri ore acoke ku street-ini ukaiga horu no riu ri akathia kaikara mieri iri akacoka ena giko ukamuoya ringi after 3 months akathie ringi. So kwina challenge ya uria tu tathirikari uria ingika mwana arutwo ndaracoka nikukorwo na challenge iyo tondu ni woka ni wikara nake 2 months ni acoka ni oka ringi ni acoka ni oka ringi agiri aroka na agenda akarora kona ni waiga thimu yaku oru akora nayo ukaigua horu agioka matuma nduka ukamwe 200 akora nacio na bia icio ciuma ciagure ki maybe kavishi akora nacio tondu ni urenda kumutest kana ni aracenjia akora nacio agiagoka ukamwe nguo na iratu akora. So hiyo kupotea ina kudisappoint. So hiyo ni challenge imwe. Kuna challenge ya irio ni challenging especially for the boy child. Menye ici ni youth na youth mariaga muno koguo ni akorwo na challenge kuria mathire ma nyumba mahi thitima. Hizo ni challenges ciena andu othe Kenya no riu ri tukoretwo twikirathimo kuri mundu ungi. So there are some people who have been so blessed to be a blessing.
Riu ri niki mwana wa kahĩ ti kairĩtu tondu barabara-inĩ icio nĩ njemanagia na tũirĩtu.
Ona we warorari, there is a big challenge with the boy child even in our country. Na warora, especially during the post-election, many people were in the streets are men. Na warora, in our family setup, you'll find women are the ones who are more engaged in doing things that mũndũrũme wagĩrĩire gwĩka. Rĩu nĩ tũkorwo na program ya rite of passage ya circumcision. Rite of passage yokaga December or November December. Yoka ari wonaga ni atumia mareaga imwana. Ukarigwo atiriri, where is the father figure?
Rĩu rĩ kuma 25 nginya rĩu. Hi street nice sina kioneki.
So ndina kioneki kia Twaje Talent Academy. Iria ni ciana cioka ari ni irakurio oro wa talanta. Tariu ndakwira ndari hair stylist. Ndine mwana ta 20 marutaga wira wa njuĩrĩ thaa ici. No ni kumafundithia kuma network, and it has worked. So there is a lot. There is a future plan for even to buy our own place and kuthondeka buildings ya talents, academies, things like skills, because at the end of the day ni turenda kuona skills ya ciana ici.
Wĩrutĩri wa Juvenalis Charo wa kũhĩmbĩria ciana iria ciũrũraga barabara na gũcihe ũikaro nĩguo ũracũngĩrĩria ũmũthĩ tũmũkũrane ta njamba. Nũngari wa Mbui, Njata TV.